All right, here we go. So, lesson 8, clean code and debugging. Review all this, check out the new code, and then we go to debugging. All right, on this one, there's some mistakes. Look at the code, discuss what's the problem. The heading is not big enough, and the second item on the list does not have a number. So let's check out our code. Heading. We have H3 here and H1 closing it, right? So that's not going to work. Let's check it to 3. All right, not big enough. So let's go to 1. Much better. Now, on our lists, we see our ordered list is what we want. And then we have the caret li for the first one, closed. Caret li for the third one, closed. But we do not have one for the middle one, right? So let's make sure we get the open. So we're just going to copy it, paste it in here, and then we got to close it off. Right, because we always want to close it off. And here we go. We got our ordered list now, right? And that's good. And if you want to make this cleaner, you can hit enter, right? So we can have each one set to its own line. And then close it off. Right, so that's clean code. So now you can see exactly what's going on. Heading 1, 2, 3, good to go. Okay, on this one, they want you to think about the bugs in this page, right? So we'll look at the code. HTML looks good. HTML looks good. There's nothing in the header here, right? So let's go back to the last lesson, and look, you can see it's missing the title, right? So we can just rip this off, copy it straight up, go back to our lesson, and we'll paste it in here. So now we have a title. And we're going to add cat supplies as the title. And then cat toys will be the header. And then we have our list here, but we do not have our UL, remember? So let's go ahead and add the UL, just to have clean code. UL caret. Okay, we have an unordered list, and then we're done here, so now let's close it off. Caret slash UL caret. All right, now our code is clean. All right, on this one, they want you to fix the image bugs, right? And they want it to look like this. Okay, let's go ahead and give ourselves some more space. So we're missing the Veloce pitcher plant, the Venus flytrap, but the Claythus ruber is working, right? So this is the correct piece. So I'm gonna go to Inspector. And I'm going to click here. Where is it? Claythus ruber. Where is that? Okay. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Image equals source equals quote the name alt. So this is the right way. So let's go ahead and check out the ones that are not working. Venus flytrap, venus.flytrap.jpg. That looks right. SRC up. See, look at SCR, right? SRC. Venus flytrap. We've got our quote, venus-flytrap.jpg. Let's refresh it. And now we have our Venus flytrap showing, so let's keep going. Alright, so now I have my Venus flytrap working. And now the Velos picture plant. So let's find the Velos picture plant. Here it is. Okay. IMG is right. IMG is right. SRC is right. Alright, SRC is good. The equal sign is good. But look at here. We have an extra quote. Right? Quotation, quotation. Oh, take it back. We don't have the name of the file in there, right? Velos picture plant. So let's find it here. So we got to put it in there. VILLOSE dash picture dash plants dot JPG. Okay, Velos picture plant dot JPG. Now, when I refresh this, this should be good to go. There it is. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, so we have a little problem here. This is not a big deal, right? We have our closed H3. We just need to actually create the start of the H3. So caret H3, caret, that's good. Okay, oh, the bearhead tooth fungus is not right. So let's fix the bearhead tooth fungus. Okay, let's move this up so we can see better. Okay, this one's working right. So IMG, good to go. SRC, SRC is good. Look at, we're missing the equal sign, right? So we have to have equal sign. And now there's our bearhead fungus. How delicious. Yay. All right, we finished this lesson. On to the next one. Okay, on this one, this code is a hot mess. So we just need to make it nicer. So first thing I'm going to do, just clean it up, right? So right now all I'm doing is cleaning up the code so it is not such a mess. Right, this is the first thing I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm cleaned up. Odd cars. Blah, 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 blah. Wood car. Oscar Mayer car, LL Bean. grass car, picture gallery. Okay, Oscar. Where's Oscar? Let's go to the inspector. I don't even see the Oscar. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, image source equals, we don't have the link in here, right? So we go check out Oscar Mayer car.jpg. So Oscar Mayer car.jpg, right? So that should be working now. Let's hit refresh and save. Alright, we've got it. Okay, Oscar Mayer's going. This boot one is working, and the grass car is not working. Alright, so grass car is not showing up, right? So let's check it out. We've got image, source, but we're missing our equal sign here. So let's go equal, grass car, and let's refresh and save, and hopefully that shows up. It does. Okay, now we have one more problem. We've got a closed unordered list, and then we have a closed list. Right? So here's unordered list, and our closed unordered list is here. We don't need it there. So I'm going to exit. Here's the end of our list, so I'm going to close the list here. Right? So we have unordered list start, unordered list finish. And we've got list open, but we do not have a closed list here, right? So that one belongs over here. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, right? So now we have all our lists open and closed, and now we have no more pink here, so that's all working. Our code is right, all of our images are good, and we have finished this one.